So hello, we are going to start another cooking. I'm just gonna make some ribs, slow cooked ribs, lamb ribs. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. There's an oil, whole cloves, cinnamon, coriander, 5 spices. That is Chinese 5 spices. A piece of ginger, white onion and red onion, and few garlic cloves and some bay leaves. So let's start cooking now. Cooker that I'm going to use, and this is my just vegetable oil that I'm going to use. There you go. So we're just going to cover the pan with enough oil. So here I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cloves in the pan. There you go. So once you're happy to how the spices looks like, we can add on the garlic. So I just lower the temperature of my stove because I don't want the spices to be burned. They actually burn so easily. So we just have to wait for the garlic to turn a little bit brown. I just slice it lengthwise like my white onions and ginger. Now we can actually put the bay leaves as well. Now we just have to wait for this one to cook a bit. Just be careful because once it's really hot, the cloves is just popping all over your kitchen, so be mindful of that. Now we can add on our onions and ginger. So we just have to wait for the onions to turn to cook a little bit, and we can add the lamb afterwards. Right, now I'm happy the way my onions has been cooked. I'm going to add the lamb ribs now. So here's my 500 grams of lamb. Everything. So we can add on the coriander powder as well. My ribs is a little bit frozen, but it's okay. Right, we just have to cook this one for at least 5 minutes. Then we can add at least 500 ml of water. So that's been 5 minutes. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and we just have to mix it again. Okay. So I'm gonna add the 500 ml of water now. So 500 ml of water. Right. There we go. And we just have to cover this one and wait for at least 30 minutes, and we have to check it back again. So it has been an hour now of cooking these ribs. I'm going to put some red onions now on top. separating it. Right. Gonna stir it again. And there you go. This is how it looks like. You can add some salt if you want it to be a little bit more tasty. So this is my slow cooked lamb ribs. I'm going to insert another picture on for you to check.